Here's a 2015 Hyundai Tucson. A striking compact SUV with flexible support for cargo carrying, carpooling, and comfortable commuting. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit Pohanka Hyundai, King of the Beltway, today. We're conveniently located on the Capitol Beltway at Exit 13, 1770 Ritchie Station Court in Capitol Heights, Maryland.